Hello beautiful glam girls, welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be all about skincare. You know, we're always looking for new things to try. We're always looking for that new innovative item that's gonna, you know, rejuvenate us and redefine how we do our skincare. And so I came across this brand called E-Diva. And they had these rollers, these facial rollers, and I've been seeing these everywhere. Everyone's using them, and I've been really dying to try some. So I have the rose quartz one and the jade one, and I'm really excited. They have different properties, and then they also have this really amazing skincare. This is gonna look crazy, okay? Don't say nothing. This skincare device for your face as well. So I've tried all of them. I've actually been using the rollers for a while now, and I've used them in different ways, different times with different products, and I am freaking loving them. They are so first of all, they're beautiful. They look like decor, like you could literally display them, and they just like really make a difference in my skincare. I feel like my skin looks really good since using them. It feels tighter, it feels more like elastic, and I've really been loving them. I have been using these with serums. This is a really great way to use them. You could also use them with a sheet mask if you put the sheet mask on and then roll up and down. So the rose quartz and the jade have different properties. The jade roller is an anti-aging roller, and it stimulates meridian flow to tone, improve skin elasticity, and revitalize your chi for a more radiant, youthful appearance. And the rose quartz is a grade 8 facial roller that can be used for younger, firmer, stronger skin. It's an effective tool to relax your facial muscles and soothe in uneven, discolored skin. So I was really interested in both because obviously I want the properties that help, you know, the discoloration, but I also wanted the anti-aging. And I really feel like it's made such a difference in the elasticity of my skin, and the plump feeling of my skin, the tightness of my skin. I just really like how it feels, and I also love that they stay kind of cool. So once you put them on your face, you feel that cooling effect, which I really like. So what I've been doing is using both at the same time, and I'll do the motions and then switch so that each side is getting the same amount of pressure, the same amount of, you know, the quartz. Since they have different properties, I want to make sure that both sides are getting the same treatment. And then I love that it also comes with a little pamphlet showing you how to use the roller. So it shows you the different directions to use the roller, and I really love the smaller size as well. I love the smaller size for going around the sensitive areas of the eyes, the eyebrows, the facial smile lines, as well as down here. I love them so much. Like I use them all around my neck, décolletage, chest. I'm loving them. So I've been using them with serums at night as like a moisturizing serum treatment slash a facial massage. So I'll put my serum on my face or in a little container and then dip the roller in it and then roll on the serum or whatever it is, the mask, and I feel like it just gets it deeper in my skin. I love how it feels. It's so nice. Both of them roll really easily. I feel like the jade roller is a lot softer, like smoother. It rolls easier. The rose quartz is a little bit harder. You need a little bit more pressure, but they both move really easily. I'm loving both so far. I wouldn't say which one to choose if I had to choose. I love both. I guess the jade one just because it's like you need the least amount of pressure, but I love both of them. They also come with little carrying cases, which I think are so cute. Perfect for travel and protecting the rose quartz. So this machine is called the Radiance Facial Device. It's a high frequency facial device, and it comes with a 1-year warranty, which is freaking amazing. So this is what you're gonna get when you open it up. It has 4 different attachments. So all the attachments are for different purposes. So we have, this is the tongue attachment, and this one treats wrinkles and lines in smaller areas. It is mostly used for treating wrinkles under the eyes and the ridges of the nose. So this is really cool. This is the power button down here. You turn it on. It actually has electricity when you touch it, and you can turn it on really high or really low. And you don't want to leave it in one area more than, you know, a couple seconds, but you're just going to quickly go over the areas that you want to treat. And you really feel it on your skin. Obviously, you want to consult a doctor or a dermatologist before you do anything. Don't, you know, just go by my word. Definitely be safe with your skin. But I've tried it and I really don't. I've been trying it and I don't have any reactions to it. I kind of like it, to be honest. And then we also have the mushroom attachment. So this one is for larger areas of the face. This one is going to promote blood flow to your skin. It sounds like a science project. This one is going to promote blood flow to your skin, and it's for larger areas of the face, like the chin, the jawline. So you just want to go and kind of press like this. And then there's also the comb attachment, and this is actually for your hair, so you can comb your hair with this. Whoa, do you see that? So this is going to promote hair growth and promote the stimulation of your scalp, which is just going to help hair growth and the health of your scalp and the skin on your head. And then the last one is my favorite one. So this is the tiny little zit zapper, which is my favorite one because I get breakouts. You're gonna zap your individual pimples one by one. Ooh. And I find that it really does reduce the size of a zit by the next day. You do feel a little sting when it touches your skin, so you want to, you know, start with a low setting and work your way up. And it's a really cool device. I think it's really awesome that you can have something like this at home that's like a dermatologist kind of product. Obviously you want to make sure that you are, you know, comfortable using something like this and take all the precautions necessary and follow all the directions. I'm going to briefly give you a little description of each of them, you know, and what they do. So like I mentioned, the effects and the benefits of the high frequency facial device is the high frequency facial device is an important beauty instrument. A high frequency current is produced in the glass probe, and when applied to the face produces an oxygen pocket that has an antibacterial effect. This effect eliminates viruses and bacteria. It helps calm the nerves, and it has like a soothing effect. It also produces the ozone for sterilization that can help heal wounds and restrain pores. It accelerates blood flow and improves metabolism. And this device has two anti-aging applications, the anti-wrinkle application and the skin tightening application. So you definitely feel the tightening effect after using it. Again, this is the bend probe, and it is to reduce the appearance of, you know, pimples. The mushroom probe is for, like I said, the cheeks, the jawline, and the forehead. It helps lymph node activity as well as circulation. The comb probe, again, like I said, to stimulate your scalp. And the tongue probe, like I mentioned, is for reducing wrinkles in sensitive areas around your eyes, etc. Of course, there's, you know, you want to make sure that you're paying attention to the warnings. You shouldn't use this if you're pregnant or have a pacemaker. If you have sensitive skin, you can use a light piece of material to kind of give yourself like a barrier. So overall, I feel like adding this as like a weekly system to my routine is something I'm really gonna get used out of, especially when I have major breakouts. I also want to try using them or using this more around my wrinkles and lines and seeing how it works. I definitely think this is something that you have to talk to your doctor about if you feel a little worried about it, and then add it into your routine. I definitely think that this is a trustworthy brand because they offer a 1-year warranty on the items, and they give you so much information, and there's so much included when you get everything that you definitely feel like calm, that there's, you know, enough information. You can contact them. You get a pamphlet telling you all about the device. And the jade rollers have become like a literal everyday for me. The jade and the rose quartz, I have been using these every single day. They just become part of my facial routine when I apply a serum, night cream. I think it's so great at the end of the day to just, while you're watching your favorite show before you go to bed, to just roll up and down and give yourself a quick little facial massage. It's a lot easier than using your hands, which I used to do. And also you get those great properties that the rollers have. It feels so good on the skin, and also like drains. You can drain your lymph nodes with this by rubbing it across the bottom of your chin there and draining back. And I just feel like I see a difference in my appearance already, with everything kind of lifting and looking more elastic and just better. So I'm really impressed with these items, and I thought it was really cool. When I saw this device, I was like, what the heck is this? I think it's so cool that you can like zap your pimples right at home. Everything will be linked down below. Thank you so much to E-Diva for sponsoring this video. I'm really excited to keep using this. Let me know what you guys think. Are you interested? Would you try something like this? Are you scared? What are your thoughts? I'm really interested. I mean, it's funny because people will like get lash extensions and IUDs and like put all this crazy stuff in and on their body, and then something like this, they'd be like, whoa. But I'm more into stuff like this than other stuff. I just feel like this is, I don't know, it's cool. Like I definitely am into it. I'm into like the hair comb and all that. Like I think it's really exciting and a cool way to give yourself, you know, your own little dermatologist treatment at home. So let me know your comments and thoughts let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to stay glam, and yeah, love you. Bye.